An seachtain seo, tá muid ag fécint an bríthar ri to run, and the theme of our spellings is áiteanna, places.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
An aimsir caite, ri me, I ran, ri tú, you ran, ri sé, he ran, ri she ran, ri mar, we ran, ri siv, ye ran, ri siad, they ran, ri, near ri. An aimsir láithreach, rihim, I run, rihin tú, you run, rihin sé, he runs, rihin she runs, rihimid, we run, rihin siv, ye run, rihin siad, they run, an rihin, ní rihin. An aimsir áisteanach, rihi me, I will run, rihi tú, you will run, rihi sé, he will run, rihi she will run, rihi mid, we will run, rihi siv, ye will run, rihi siad, they will run, an rihi, ní rihi. Skull to school, awalia, home, go dtí an siopa to the shop. Go tapa, fast, go máil, slow, nos na gaotha, at the speed of the wind. Structure ábharta, sentence structure. So as always, we start with the bríthar, ri, followed by the ábhar, the subject. Now we use the áit, which is skull, awalia, or go dtí an siopa, and na frása deasa, the nice phrases, just to tell a little bit more about our running. Ri siv skull go tapa. Ye ran to school fast. Riha mid awalia nos na gaotha. We run home at the speed of the wind. Rihi me go dtí an siopa go máil. I will run to the shop slowly. Agus tá mé déanta, we're done.